WordPress is an open source content management system based on PHP programming language and MySQL database. WordPress has become the most popular content management system globally, powering over 42% of all websites and dominating the CMS market with a 60% share. With WordPress, you can create a business website, e-commerce stores, blogs, portfolios, resumes, forums, social networks, membership sites, and pretty much anything else you can dream of. It's important to understand that there are two main branches of WordPress. We have WordPress.com and WordPress.org. WordPress.com and WordPress.org are not the same. Getting started with both platforms involves an entirely different set of steps. WordPress.com is for profit, paid service, and fully hosted platform. This means that WordPress.com takes care of hosting, security, and maintenance for you. It's simple to use, but you lose much of the flexibility of a self-hosted WordPress. WordPress.org, often called self-hosted WordPress, is the free open source WordPress software that you can install on your own web host to create a website that is 100% your own. Most of the time, when people refer to WordPress, they meant the self-hosted WordPress available at WordPress.org. If you want to truly own your website, self-hosted WordPress.org is almost always the best option. WordPress is powered by PHP programming language that requires a server to run. Hence, WordPress cannot run without a server. The web server is a piece of software that accepts users' web requests and serves them the appropriate result. Generally, if your web server supports and executes PHP files, it should be able to work with WordPress. So, WordPress can be installed on a server running locally on a computer or remotely on a live server. A local server is set up on your personal computer for development and testing purposes, while a live server is a remote computer that hosts your website and makes it accessible to users on the internet.